Now guys, in this video I will tell you what reason there are bits on the steering wheel. If they happen during braking, this indicates that the brake discs are worn out or deformed. When the brake discs heat up and are suddenly thrown into the water, they can deform it. Further, if wheel balancing is needed, if some weight is lost on the wheel, the balancing is distributed. There are also bits on the steering wheel. The next reason is when the wheel hits the hole and the disc bends. Round on the steering wheel also occur when the wheel itself is deformed or have bulge. It's also unlikely, but it also happens when something is given between the wheel and the attachment point, and when the wheel is tightened, it's crooked. Here's the basic lever bit on the steering wheel. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put like.